Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Live Learning. This is me, your host, Yujin Tang. Today we're going to look into OpenAI, OpenAI's API, which has been extremely popular. Recently, in the past few months, GPT has just been blowing up the scene. So we're going to go look into how you can harness OpenAI through an API, through their API actually. So I'm going to learn. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to learn how to use it, and I'm going to show you guys the process as I learn how to use it. So far, what I've done, and I'll drop the link to this in the comments and the description below. So far, what I've done is get the secret key to OpenAI, and there is a, let me find it. You probably just saw the screen disappear there for a second, but there is a website that they have for a quick start, and you can go create your secret key there. Now, once you get your secret key, you want to store it somewhere safe, and you don't want to show it to anybody else. And in this case, I've stored mine in .env, and I'm not going to click the file, so you're not going to see it. But I'm going to load it with OS. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to import OS, and then we're also going to import requests. I've also already installed OpenAI, pip install OpenAI, and then so yeah, let's just get started. So we're gonna import. Yes, let's make sure that the kernel we're using is this kernel. This kernel. So we're using the OpenAI test. So I also created a virtual environment earlier called OpenAI test, and then I sourced it to activate it so that we're using it in this environment. Now, once we have that, we can use. Oh, actually, we should. Does OS load the .env? Maybe um, OpenAI key. We're also going to import OpenAI. Oh, running cells with OpenAI tests requires IPy kernel package install. Okay. Don't know if you guys saw that pop up, but you need to install IPy kernel into every virtual environment as well in order to run them. There we go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create an open API thing. So OpenAI.API key is equal to os.getEnv, and I called my key OpenAI API key. And this is what OpenAI calls it. This is what the quick start guide calls it. So I'll show you that as well. Once you have this, we're going to we're going to generate a prompt. So let's find an example prompt. So what we should do is response equals OpenAI dot, let's see, what do you call completion dot create. So here we're gonna get it to complete some text for us. Model equals the model that they use in the example is text DaVinci text DaVinci 003. And now we're going to prompt equals we're gonna create a prompt. Okay, so before we create this, let's create a function, generate prompt. And we'll generate a prompt with some sort of animal as shown in the examples. No. So their example is suggest 3 names for an animal that is a superhero. Then they give animal names, animal names, animal animal names. And names is left incomplete. Capitalized. Capitalize. Nothing. Don't know if you can do that, but they do that in the example. So we're going to find out. And it just returns this. Return this. Prompt equals generate prompt, and we're going to give the animal, so we have to give some examples. So let's do, they do a cat and a dog. We're going to do something more interesting. Let's do a monkey and a tiger. So our monkey can be super monkey. Let's see, what's a good monkey superhero name? The Baboon of Justice. No. Okay, I can't call it baboon. Baboons are specific monkeys, so we'll call it the Hand of Justice. Let's think of another one. The Masked Banana. Man, that sounds weird. The masked banana. Okay, I don't like that. Let's what do monkeys eat? What are monkeys called? So cats are called felines, monkeys are suelines. Oh, the paw of justice. What are monkeys called? Cats are felines. Monkeys are, what kind of animal are monkeys? Primate. Ah, okay. How about the powerful primate? There we go. All right. The stripes. Oh, striped lightning. Oh, that's a good one. Striped lightning. Hidden tiger, crouching dragon. Wait, that's the other one. It's crouching tiger, hidden dragon. Oh God. Okay. Tigers. What else could you do for tigers? The orange. The orange. The orange savior. Let's do. The claw. No, I want to see something other than starts with the, because I feel like we use the too much here. Striped claw. Forest. I don't know. Forest guardian? No. Forest claw. There we go. I don't know. This is not a great name. King Claw. There we go. This is not a really superhero name, but whatever. We'll deal with it. Generate prompt. Let's give it a cat and let's see what it says. Then we will, they say to also pass a temperature. Um, that's an interesting one. I'm not sure what temperature does. OpenAI API temperature. 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 Higher values mean the models will take more risks. Okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay. Interesting. Okay, so let's give it a 0.8. Data? The data? The text? Oops, text. How do we read this response? JSON.dumps response. Ooh, Feline Fury, the Permistus, and the Cat Crusader. Wow, this is good. This is good, actually. Um, this is way better than any of the names I came up with. Let's see what other things we can. Text completion. Oh, this is the only text completion, code completion. Oh, codex JavaScript. Try these examples in Playground. Create random names. Can we explain is most capable in Python? How do we use codex? Code DaVinci 02. Okay. Code DaVinci 002. We're gonna create ask code. Well, let's just give it a prompt. Ask the user for a print. Oh, let's just do hello world. Print hello world in Python. I don't think I did this right. Hmm. Hmm. This is the example they give as one of the things we can. Maybe we should use another measure of smooth for all triangles. Is there a way to see this code? Hmm. Hmm. Not totally sure, but let's go to the image one. Let's go back to text DaVinci 03. And we'll go back to let's give it a different animal. Let's give it a dog. Deprecation warning. Super pup, the brave best friend. Okay. Response.openAI. Oh, maybe completion wasn't the right one for code completion. Maybe that should have been something else. No, it's completion. Yeah, prompt. Oh, temperature should be 0. Okay. Image equals image res equals OpenAI dot response dot create. Oh, sorry. Dot image dot create. Prompt. Let's create. A munchkin cat. Garfield. A fat, round, orange cat with black stripes. N equals 1. Size equals, let's just do 512 by 512. Do I have to specify in quotes? Yeah, 512 x 512. And then we'll get print image json.dumps image res. So let's go to this URL. Aww, that's so cute. Okay, I'll show you guys. The cat, so let's, here it is. Huh? That's not right. It's the other Google Chrome. You know what I'll do? I will put a picture of this cat into the library. Can I do that? Okay, that's not working. There we go. This is what the cat it produced was. Very cute. You can kind of tell it's AI generated because his face is weird, but very cute. So this is the basics of the image and the text generation. I'm going to try their code generation example, and we're going to take a look at it. So this is their code generation example. I already did this part, so code res. We'll call this code res. So I think temperature had to be set to 0. I think the stops also have to be set here. Util exposes the following. Util.openai authenticates and returns the OpenAI module, which has the following functions. OpenAI.completion.create prompt. The prompt to start completing from max tokens equals 1, 2, 3. The max tokens generated, temperature equals 1. The measure of randomness, echo equals true, whether to return the prompt in addition to the generated completion. Import util, create an OpenAI completion starting from the prompt once upon an AI. No more than 5 tokens, does not include the prompts. What happens when we run this? JSON.dumps code res. Tells you what the text is. simply tells you what the text is. Hmm. Isn't that basically what I wrote right here? What does it say? Crane OpenAI completions. Ah, yes. Oh, okay. It does it. Okay, interesting. So this, it basically, once upon an AI, it creates a code to start completing the once upon an AI with no more than 5 tokens. Okay. Starting from the prompt once upon an AI. Okay, interesting. So it does do as asked here. I think doing the code res might be a bit difficult, a bit more difficult. I think we can jump into that a little more in another episode. But this one was a good initial exploration, initial foray into the OpenAI API. So now you have an idea of how to use the OpenAI API to create some of your, to use Python to create some prompts both for text completion and for creating an image. So thanks for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you next time.